afternoon, Wednesday, June the 28th, 2017. Listen to the wind blow through the quaky trees. Very pretty. Very calming. My home. Blue sky. Hardly a cloud in it. Little river, not a lot of water going down, but wind is kind of picking up, but it is nice. I wouldn't be out here like this right now. There'd be billions of mosquitoes, but the wind is keeping them away. I hope you enjoy this. It is pretty out here. Very peaceful, and I love to hear the quakies blow.